You get this little fella right here. I'm going to show you how to fix it.
This is pretty much the worst video ever made.
Napoleon, like anyone can even know that.
Hello my friends, and welcome to Tom's Tinkering and Adventures. Today we're going to show you how to change the battery in your Honda remote. This is for a 2022 Honda CRV hybrid. I don't know how much it really matters, but I'm sure some of them are a little bit different. On this one, you got to remove the actual key. You have an actual key even if you have a push button. There's a little tab you got to push on the back, and you'll take that key out of there. Okay, now that you got the key out of your remote, you can open it up. I've done this using the key. There's some little tabs. I don't know how well you're going to be able to see it on here. Let me try to put some light on it, see if that helps. Right there, those little tabs. I'm going to get between those with the key and try to pry this thing open. There you go. Just pried it open. And I generally like to leave the button side down because the whole thing will come apart. And there you go. There's your battery. It is a CR2032, very common battery. I'm going to open that up and change it. Okay, now we're just going to pry this battery out of here. Hopefully. Be careful, there's little tabs. You can peel them up with your fingers. There you go. That's the old battery out. New battery in, it should just pop in there. There you go. Now we'll just put the cover back on. And squeeze it back together, hopefully. There we go. Now we'll go see if that screen is off of the car. Okay, we're back in the car. And it's gone. Thumbs up. Easy day. I don't know how much they charge to do that, but you just saved yourself a couple bucks. Did it in a minute or two. All right, if you're liking my content, give me a thumbs up. Leave a comment down there somewhere. And if you're not already a subscriber, please consider doing so. Thank you very much for watching. Get out there and find your adventure. Adios.